How to add subscriptions from Pabbly Subscription Billing software to Google Sheets automatically. So in this video, I am going to connect Pabbly Subscription Billing with the Google Sheets with an automation software so that whenever any new subscription is created in this software, those subscription details will be added automatically to Google Sheets. In this way, you and your team can keep a track record of all the subscriptions that are being created in your billing software directly from the Google Sheets. Want to sync your subscription data with Google Sheets in real time? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Subscription Billing, and this is the spreadsheet I have created in which I will maintain the data of all the important customer subscription. And in order to automate this process, I'll have to build a connection in these two applications, which I am going to do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing and a very cost-effective integration and automation software. Well, I am an existing user, so I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. And let me tell you, Pabbly Subscription Billing and Pabbly Connect actually owned by the same company, that is Pabbly. Okay, now come back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Basically, when you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, you'll have to firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then you will have to provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as add subscriptions from Pabbly Subscription Billing to Google Sheets. Now simply click on create, and after that you will find two boxes. Okay, so these boxes are actually called as trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens, an action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the application in this trigger and action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, now according to our use case, whenever any new subscription is created in Pabbly Subscription Billing software, then automatically add the subscription details in Google Sheets application. Okay, so I have selected both the application in this trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I will connect the Pabbly Subscription Billing with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so as soon as you will select the trigger event, that is new subscription, so I want to perform the same, that whenever any new subscription is created in Pabbly Subscription Billing, this automation should trigger. Now what is the meaning of this subscription? So basically, whenever customer will make a payment from the checkout page, the subscription of that customer will be created automatically into the subscription section of Pabbly Subscription Billing software. Okay, so let us automate this process. Alright, so I have selected the trigger event, and here you can notice it has provided me a webhook URL and few set of instructions. So firstly you will have to copy this URL and then go back to the dashboard of Pabbly Subscription Billing, and here at last you will find an option of settings. Now finally search for the webhook option. I'm sorry for that, and here you can notice one webhook URL is already added. Okay, so either you can delete it or you can add a new. Okay, so how about I delete the existing one? Well, you can add multiple webhooks at the same time. Okay, now clicking on this button, and firstly it is asking for the webhook name. Okay, so how about I provide the name something like connection with Connect. Okay, how about I write connection with Pabbly Connect? Let me also correct the spelling, Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking that whether you want to set this webhook URL for all the products or for the specific product. Okay, so I want to create this automation for all the products. Basically, I want that if any subscription is created in the whole Pabbly Subscription Billing software, those subscription details should be added to Google Sheets. Okay, so that is why I will be selecting the same, and in the plan also I will go with the same, that is all plan, asking for the webhook URL. So here I am going to paste the same webhook URL which I have have received via Pabbly Connect. And finally, from this particular section, you will have to select the event. Okay, so here I want that whenever a new subscription is created, this automation should trigger. Okay, so I have specifically selected this particular subscription, okay, this particular event. Okay, and now finally I'll click on the save button. This is how the connection in Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Subscription Billing will be successful. Okay, now here you can notice that it is actually waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so now it is saying that the test webhook URL have been added. Okay, so you will have to click on this recapture webhook response button once again, and firstly you'll have to read the instruction. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new subscription in our software. Okay, so I am going to create a dummy subscription in front of you. And how subscription can be created, as I have told you, as soon as the customer will make a payment, the subscription of that customer will be automatically created. Okay, so I have opened the checkout page, a random checkout page, and here firstly I will make a dummy payment in front of you with some dummy details only. Okay, so how about I go with this demo and user details. In email address also I will add something like dummy@pabblytudes.com. that is asking for the country, so here I will be selecting India as the country, and in the state I will be selecting Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so I have selected the same, and for making a payment I will use this test card details, because as I have told you that I am going to make a dummy payment. Okay, so I have selected on success and the test card details have been added. Clicking on this complete order, and as soon as the payment is done, here you will notice that the details of that payment will be received via Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice the response is already received because the payment is successful here. Okay, so let me close this payment page, coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard, and right now I can also close this landing page. Okay, so I have come here into the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now let me show you the details one by one. Okay, so here we have the event type as subscription created. Now let me show you other details also. Okay, so here we have the subscription start date along with the time also. We have other details also like the customer details and the product name. Where is the plan name I'm looking for? Okay, so here we have the plan name. Here we also have the description of the plan. Here we also have the plan code, and where are the customer details. Okay, so here we have the currency code also, and the payment has been done via test gateway, and finally we have the detail of the customer, that is the email ID as demo@pabblytudes.com, and here we have the first name, last name, the country, state, and everything. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in Pabbly Subscription Billing and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time any customer will make a payment for any product in Pabbly Subscription Billing, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, the application is already selected. I am going to send this data, the subscription details, in Google Sheets. Okay, so let me select the action event, that is add new row, and just like we have connected Pabbly Subscription Billing and Pabbly Connect, now I am going to connect this Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you will have to select this new connection, and then you'll have to click on this button and provide the access of your Google Sheets account. Okay, but I have provided this access multiple times, so I can also go with the existing connection. Okay, why it is taking too long, I'll have to check. Okay, actually pop-up is blocked. Okay, so continue blocking, no, I don't want it. I will allow this pop-up. Okay, so clicking on done, clicking on this button, and then it will ask you the access. Okay, so I will go with the access instead of providing the access again and again. If you want, you can also go with the existing connection, but in the first time you'll have to provide the new connection. Okay, so here you will notice the authorization will be successful and your Google Sheets account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Alright, so it is connected, and here you can notice because we are connected, whatever the spreadsheets are actually available inside my account have started visible here. Okay, so I will select which spreadsheet. Okay, so the name of my spreadsheet is customer subscription. So let me search for the same, that is customer subscription. Alright, so this is the spreadsheet, and here I have a single sheet only which will be selected automatically, and as soon as I'll select the spreadsheet and sheet here, you will notice all the headers of this sheet, basically all the column name of this sheet will be pulled automatically in Pabbly Connect. So here you can notice we have this subscription start date, the product name, the plan name, amount, currency, and the same column names are visible here also. Okay, so basically we are going to provide the details here and then click on the final button, and this is how the data will be added automatically in these columns. Okay, so let us provide the details one by one, and the interesting thing is I'm not going to manually copy the above step data and paste it here manually one by one. Basically I'm going to map the above data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Now search for that data, that is subscription start. Okay, so here you can notice we also have the date and time. Just in case if you want to split the date and time, you can also do the same by simply applying a text formatter feature before your Google Sheets step. Okay, so simply apply the text formatter feature in which you will have to select a split text, this specific action event, and this is how you can split any values. Okay, currently I am going to map the same date and time in this field. Now it is asking for the product name. Okay, so in the same way I am going to map all the details one by one. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping which I am repeating in front of you again and again. Okay, so whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time in next time. Yes, it is going to happen with every new subscription of Pabbly Subscription Billing. This existing data will be replaced automatically. Okay, let me also map the price of that subscription. Okay, asking for the currency and other details. Okay, so I remember I have made the payment in USD. Okay, so I have added the same. Asking for the customer name which was demo, and I will give a space and also map the last name as user. Okay, where is the user? I'll have to check. Okay, let me also map other details like the customer email, city and state. Okay, I am searching for @ and this is the email address. Searching for the city which was I guess I have not collected any city, so how about I leave this particular field blank. Or you can also do one more thing, you can delete this particular column from here. Let me shift this column here, and as soon as you will select on this refresh field, you will notice all the data. Okay, click on this refresh section and all the fields will be refreshed here automatically, and right now this particular field will be disappear from here automatically. Okay, give me a second, I'll show you the same. Alright, so it is refreshed. Let me show you. And did you notice that city column, that city field has disappeared from here? Asking for the state, let me also search for the same, which was Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so I think I have provided all the details. Let me click on this button and wait for the response to receive. Here you can notice the response is received. And did you notice that the details of the subscription are also added here, and we have the same data, that is the subscription date, the product name as PHP notes, the plan name, we also have the amount, currency, customer name, customer email and the state. Okay, so in this way, whatever the data you would like to capture from the subscription of Pabbly Subscription Billing to Google Sheets, you can actually do the same. Currently I have collected only the basic details. If you want to collect more data, you can also do the same. And in order to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect for once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this two-step automation inside your own Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into the description box. Simply click on that link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this two-step automation inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.